जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 20th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching कर्मयोगम to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, Janaka Maharaju and all other great people have attained Atmadarshanam only by performing their prescribed duties perfectly." That means only by performing Karma Yogam they have attained Atma Sakshatkaram. Arjuna, all those Janaka Maharaj and other great people, though they are eligible to do Jnana Yogam, yet they have done Karma Yogam, and only by doing Karma Yogam they have attained Atma Darshanam. That is why, Arjuna, you should also do Karma Yogam to attain Atma Darshanam and also to set an example to the world to follow Karma Yogam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to do Karma Yogam, which is also known as Nishkama Karma, which is performing all our duties, not being attached to the fruits of our duties. While having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Karma naiva hi samsiddhim asthita janakadayaha lokasangraham Yevapi sampasyan kartumarhasi. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, keep on meditating upon me. Keep on cultivating love and devotion towards me. And keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day through at least chanting by one sloka of Gita. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day through at least by chanting one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. करिष्ये वचनं तव. श्रीमद्भागवतं. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुकमहर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra is now revealing the process of meditating this entire universe as a physical body of Paramatma. Sri Suka Yogindra disclosing this to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, all the different yajnas, we offer havis into those yajnas to please different devatas. That entire process is Paramatma's activity. Performing yajnam is Paramatma's aradhana. That is why dravyatmakaha karma vitana yogaha. Performing yajna is everyone's responsibility. Oh Parikshit Narendra, so far I have explained you how to match this entire universe to the physical body of Paramatma and how to meditate upon. So that kind of Virat Swarupam should be there in your mind, and your mind should be fixed upon only that Virat Swarupam and keep on meditating. You have to understand that Paramatma, though He is all-pervasive, He is present in all the entities, He would not get affected by the qualities of this materialistic world. He always will be tam satyam anandanidhim bhajeta. He is always all blissful. Such Paramatma should be meditated by everyone. If you do not fix your mind on such all blissful Paramatma, nanyatra sajjet yataha atma pataha. Again you will be getting into this clutches and cycle of this birth and death. Oh Parikshit Narendra, in the past, when this pralayam has taken place, Chaturmukha Brahma, after the pralayam, again he has to do the Srishti Karyam, he has to create. So at that time, Chaturmukha Brahma also does Virat Swarupa Paramatma Dhyanam. He also matches this universe to the body of Paramatma, and such Viswarupam will be fixed in his mind. With that, he will get a memory, and also he will get enormous amount of knowledge, wisdom. With that wisdom again, tadha sasarja, he will be able to do the entire Srishti as it is, however it was there before pralayam, before dissolution. The same Srishti will be done by Chaturmukha Brahma, because he did dhyanam upon Paramatma, who is in the form of entire universe, Virat Swarupam. Like this, Sri Suka Yogindra encouraging all of us to look at this entire universe as Paramatma's physical body. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Mabhir Mandamano Vichintya Bahudha Yamischiram Yatanaha Naminah Prabhavanti Paparipavaha Swami Nanu Sridharaha Alasyam Vyapaniya Bhakti Sulabham Dhyayasva Narayanam Lokasya Vyasanapanodhanakaro Dasasya Kim Nakshamaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 20th sloka. Karma naivahi samsiddhim asthita janakadayaha lokasangraham yevapi sampasyan kartumarhasi. Karmanaiva hi samsiddhim asthita janakadayaha lokasangrahamevapi sampasyan kartumarhasi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.